beautiful beaders, it's Gina from orchidandopal.com, and I'm back today with a small bbcraft.com haul. So for those of you who don't know, bbcraft.com is a bead and jewelry craft supply online store. They have recently opened it up so that they offer free international shipping, and I find their prices very on par with other places. And I have over a year's worth of these types of videos. I come back every month and show you some of the products that I've gotten from them recently, and you'll see a lot of their products pop up in various tutorials and finished jewelry updates. So I have a few things to share with you guys today. Before we get into it though, you can use the coupon code GINA, just G-I-N-A, if you'd like to save $5 off your purchase of $40 or more, and I will leave all the links down below to each of these items that I'm going to show you today. So I got mostly gemstone beads. They have a lot of bulk gemstones that come in 5-strand packs. So this is the first bag that I received, and this is called Sesame Jasper. As you can see, it's mostly different shades of gray with some black and just some touches of tans or browns, a little bit of rust there mixed in with some of these beads. These are all long 15.5-inch strands, and if you look at these beads, you don't see any that are oddly shaped or out of place. They're all pretty uniform and completely full strands here, so it's a lot of beads. And for all 5 of these strands, it was only $8.69. They've been really adding a lot in terms of their website and their stock, especially in these beads in bulk quantities. So if you're interested in checking out some inexpensive gemstone varieties, specifically in these larger quantities, definitely check out bbcraft.com. I have 4 varieties to show you today. So these are the 6mm, these are the smallest ones that I had picked out for this month. And then moving along to the next variety, which came in this bag, these are called Sesame Jasper. These, I've said in the past, kind of remind me of mint chocolate chip ice cream. They've got that mint green color with those little flecks of black. Now, some have commented that they just look moldy, but I'm sticking with mint chocolate chip because that's what I want to picture. So whatever you decide, that's up to you. But these are Sesame Jasper, and they are frosted. So they have the matte finish on them. They're not glossy, as you can see. Here is a close-up look at these strands, and once again, they're all very uniform. I don't have any that are out of place or are broken or cracked or anything like that. And the total for all 5 of these strands was only $9.99. So you're looking at like $2 a strand for these really long 15.5-inch strands of beads. It's a really good deal. Here is the 3rd variety of gemstone beads that I picked up. These are, of course, Amazonite, and they are also in that 8mm size. These are not the frosted variety, so they have that normal glossy appearance. And look at all the beautiful colors that are in these strands. These always remind me of the beach with the different shades of aqua and seafoam, some of those sandy tan colors and darker, deeper browns, even some almost black right here, and some with a little bit of a coral color also. So you get a lot of variety in these strands, but they all follow that kind of beachy color palette. 5 more nice looking strands of beads here. Here's a close-up look on the holes of this variety. So far, all the holes have been drilled very uniformly also. I don't see chipping or cracking or a lot of roughness around those. And for all 5 of these Amazonite strands, it was $11.89. So another very, very reasonable priced grouping of these strands. And the last variety of gemstone beads I picked up are these in this bag. These are called light gray natural striped agate. These are also in the 8mm size. And just like the others, there should be 5 strands here. Here's a close-up at what these look like. You can see the dove gray, the little bit of brownish gray that these have, the white striation. Some of them are a little bit more translucent than others, letting a little bit more light in. Some are a little bit more milky or altogether opaque, like this one right here. These are also not the frosted variety, so they have that glossy appearance on the outside. And for the 5 full strands of these, it was $11.39. So another great deal on a large quantity of gemstone beads. These would be great if you repeat your designs maybe for sale. In particular, maybe you make a lot of the same things with the same types of beads. So I'm really pleased with all of these gemstone beads, especially for the price. And if you can take advantage of the free shipping over $25 that they have now internationally, you'll just have to look at your prices depending on where you're located, see if the prices of the items are comparable to what I showed here. And then the last item that I picked out for this month is something that I don't have, and I thought it would be great to pick some up, and these are ring bases. So I haven't opened this yet, obviously, and we'll take a look at this together for the first time. They come in a nice reusable plastic case. I always reuse the cases that they send. And this container costs $11.59, and apparently there's going to be 40 pieces of 5 different color adjustable round brass ring components. So what I was thinking is I'd love to make some beaded elements that could be glued or beaded on top of these ring bases. They did come with this bag of resin Druzy Cabochons. Look how sparkly those are. So that's pretty cool too. That was more of a bonus to me. I was looking more for the ring bases, not necessarily these cabochons, but these would be pretty fun to bead around too. I think the idea is that if you didn't want to do any beading, you could basically just glue these right on the ring bases themselves. But of course, that's not why we're here. So let me pop some of these out so we can take a look at them. Here are all 5 of the colors. So we have our antique brass, we have a bright silver, a bright gold, a dark antique copper, and then a brighter copper or more of a rose gold. So I do like the fact that there is a lot of variety going on here with the different colors. I like the fact that these are adjustable. So are these fine jewelry? No, of course not. These are fun, crafty type items. Like this one's a little bit off center, I'm noticing right off the bat, but the rest of these are centered. I'm sure that if I went through the rest of the silver ones, most of them look to be fine. I just happened to pick up one that was off center. So, I mean, you're getting what you pay for essentially, but to serve the purpose, I think these would be a lot of fun to create with. Like I was saying, maybe make a larger beaded flower that could be attached to the ring base somehow. That way you can take something maybe that you would have made into a pendant, attach it to the ring base, and there you go, you have a ring. So these are just something else I wanted to have in my possession for a little while. I've been looking at these from BB Craft for a while now, and glad to pick those up. As usual, I will be back to share future tutorials using the items that I've shared with you today. I come back at least once a month and do that, so be on the lookout for these ring bases and also some of these gemstones to be incorporated in future designs and tutorials to come. Just one more reminder, you can use that coupon code GINA, G-I-N-A, if you want to save $5 off your purchase of $40 or more at bbcraft.com, and I will leave all the links down below. Feel free to leave me a comment or a question. Let me know if you have shopped at bbcraft.com, if you enjoy what you've gotten from them, and if you're curious about other products I've received in the past, feel free to check out that playlist that I have showing many hauls like this and sharing many products. So thanks so much as always, you guys, for being with me again today to check out some more products available from bbcraft.com. I hope you'll stick around for more tutorials, finished jewelry updates, unboxings, and all those sorts of things. And until next time, I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your day, and as always, happy beading. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of my latest videos. You can check out the information section below this video for links to all my social media handles, recommended products, and my shop and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching.